All right, we're back. Okay, now we're gonna put this. Where's it? There it is, back here. This. We're gonna put that. This is for the compressor. We're gonna put a brand new one in there. And I always keep a knife. I don't know. I like this bag, so I'm gonna keep it. A friend of mine says I have an obsession with bags. So, but you can store things in them. All right, we're gonna have to pull this one out, but we don't need to do that right now. We're gonna take this here out. So I use this for zip ties. It's really good for zip ties. I'll go ahead and cut that. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer. See, I always put 1, 2, 3, and I'll go ahead and transfer it this way. Oh, crap! Why was there any power connected? Okay. Crap. Where's the zip tie? Okay, kids, don't try this at home. And this is why you should always contact a professional. I ain't gonna lie, that scared me. Jesus Christ. It was that one wire back there. Either way, I'm gonna go ahead and I just curve this more. Mama don't love you, she not care you. Alright. See if I can even get that in here. There we go. Got no idea. There we go. Alright. Maybe I should get some bungee cords. Load up some bungee cords. There you go. So what you want to do is start from here. Start twisting till you get something like that. Okay, right there. Put a little hook in. There we go. Now we can put this on. little overkill, but that's right. If I'm not mistaken, we're getting power crossed over from that disconnect. So you're getting uncut footage here. We don't edit anything, so you're getting the real deal, Holyfield. I believe this one is the one getting power, so we're gonna ground this one. Oh, nope. Okay, where's it getting power from? Let's trip the breaker. Mama don't like you, she like every. I don't know why I had that song in my head. Yep, trip the breaker. Alright. Well, I haven't checked yet, but I know we have power back there. And I picked up some wire nuts the other day. Let me see. I'll pick that up. Good, we got that on footage. Alright, so wire nuts. There you go. Wait, nope. Y'all remind me to put some wire nuts, a pigtail on the van. Drop it a comment below so I can get reminded. And I believe it's coming from here. I need those blue wire nuts, but this one's fine. Alright. I don't know how it's crossing, so we don't have. Oh yeah, we put the disconnect back on, so that means it crossed to the black one. This one couldn't cross over since we took it out, but that one did. That one crossed over to the other side. So I was supposed to take that off and pull it down. Okay, now we know. So for y'all that don't know, take it off like this on the other side. That way you don't have power crossing over. And it's starting to rain. Oh crap. Alright. Just my luck. Let's put this laptop up.